You won't believe how Capital Compass Bank has evolved in 2026. Most people assume traditional banks are stuck in the past, but Capital Compass has combined digital convenience, high-yield accounts, and smart tools to make banking seamless. Capital Compass offers checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. The app allows you to set financial goals like saving for a home, an emergency fund, or a vacation. Funds are automatically allocated toward these goals, helping your money grow consistently. Small, regular deposits benefit from compound interest over time, making goal achievement easier than ever. The dashboard is clear and user-friendly. You can monitor your total balances, see spending trends, and get notifications for upcoming bills or unusual account activity. This makes staying on top of your finances simple. Even if you're not a finance expert, security is a top priority. Capital Compass uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and continuous monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available via chat, email, or phone. The limitation: Capital Compass focuses on banking and saving. If you're looking for investment or trading options, you'll need a separate platform. So, for anyone seeking a modern, secure, and automated bank, Capital Compass is a strong choice. So, is Capital Compass Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely. For safe, intuitive, and tech-friendly banking experience, it delivers. Subscribe for more reviews on the best banks and finance tools for 2026.